Can you say hello?
Hello. We
Are
are
making
making
chicken
chicken
pesto
pasta.
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 So for tonight's dinner, we're making chicken pesto pasta. We're going to use sour cream, Parmesan cheese. You'll need some chicken thighs, cherry tomatoes, if that's your thing. I love cherry tomatoes. We're going to use some pesto sauce, as well as some spaghetti noodles. All right, so I finished cooking. I haven't made this in a while, so I kind of forgot what it tastes like, but we are about to see. Okay, it's really good. It's really good. I definitely am getting like just enough pesto. I would say like I did 2 large spoonfuls of pesto. You can, like, if you want a lot of pesto, put a lot. If you want a little bit, just put like 1, maybe 1.5. It's really good. You don't have to add chicken. If you want some extra protein or want some extra like a filler, add chicken. You could also not do the cherry tomatoes. I personally love cherry tomatoes, so I'm gonna always find a reason to include those. But yeah, this is your 30-minute chicken pesto creamy pasta. Let me know down below if you're gonna try it. And yeah, please try it. It's so good, y'all. All right. Okay, so I tried the food. It was amazing. And now we're gonna see what you think. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
You got the hiccups? How is it? Yummy? Good. Yummy.